So today in the studio, we're going to compare the sound quality of the Sonos Move to the Sonos One. How's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. The Sonos Move retails for $399, which is kind of double the price of the Sonos One's $200 asking price. So what benefits can you possibly get from paying that extra $200? For one, the Sonos Move is portable. So there's a built-in battery, you can take it outside, you can bring it to the porch, the beach, if the beach is next door to your house, you rich lucky guy, and you can play your music off the battery for up to 10 hours. So it's got a pretty big battery, it's got USB-C charging, and it also comes with a very convenient charging dock. It's also built to be very durable, IP56 water and dust resistance rating, and it's also shock proof to a certain extent, which kind of explains why it's got this pretty big rubberized base. It also comes with automatic True Play room optimization, using the very same microphone it uses for voice assistants. And this is something that other Sonos speakers don't have. Other Sonos speakers, you need to use a separate device like an iPhone to perform that room optimization. And finally, the Sonos Move has Bluetooth. So even if you're in a place that does not have reliable Wi-Fi or any Wi-Fi for that matter, you can stream your music directly from your phone or a laptop to the Move, making this a speaker that you can truly bring anywhere with you. But since the Move costs $200 more than the One, which is not a small sum of money, would it also sound better than the One? And this is what we're going to find out right now. So both of them are set to flat EQ settings, and I've also calibrated them to suit the acoustics of my room using Sonos True Play tuning. This is at about 55% volume.
At me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Like fireworks, thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now. We're both getting out of line.
So which of these speakers sounded better to you? The Sonos Move or the Sonos One? Tell me in the comments section below. But I feel that both of them actually, they share some similarities in terms of sound quality. For example, they both sound pretty bright, sparkly and detailed in the mid to upper registers. So music with guitar and vocals tracks will sound pretty good on these speakers. They both also share a pretty low noise floor, and that further accentuates the level of clarity and detail that you can get from these speakers. However, there are some differences. First of all, the Sonos Move, and this is something that I noticed from the very beginning. The Sonos Move is louder than the Sonos One. At 55% volume, the Sonos Move was easily about 10% louder than the Sonos One. However, it really makes sense that the Sonos Move should be louder than the Sonos One. After all, this is a speaker designed to be used outdoors in any situation, even without any wall or obstacle behind it to help reflect sound towards the listener. So having a louder speaker really helps in that case. The second difference is that the Sonos Move has better overall bass performance than the Sonos One. Easily. Whether you're talking about bass extension, detail, impact, loudness, the Sonos Move has the edge over the One. And one of the reasons for this is because, and I was told this by Sonos, the Sonos Move has a bigger bass to mid-range driver than the Sonos One. However, there is one area the Sonos One excels over the Move, and that is the Sonos One it seems to have better track separation than the Move. And in hindsight, I think it's precisely because of its more dissipated bass frequencies. It does feel like the mids and the highs are better isolated from the lower end, and that actually resulted in what I feel to be better track separation. So it appears that there are pros and cons on both sides after all in terms of sound quality. To recap, the Sonos Move, better bass performance, detail and projection. The Sonos One sounds great for its price point, and it does have better track separation than the Sonos Move. So now that you've got the full picture, what do you guys think? Is it worth paying that extra $200 more for the Sonos Move? You've got portability, you've got Bluetooth, you've got IP56 dust and water resistance rating, shockproof, or would you rather save that $200 and go for the Sonos One? Tell me in the comments section below, and I look forward to reading what you have to say. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron. You're watching Aaron Design and Wireless, and as always, if you like this video, please punch that like button with a vengeance. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad, because I upload new videos every single week, and I'm trying to upload more often nowadays. So be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you again in the next one.